From your home screen, swipe down from the center. And you can see the search engine and search settings. And you can see the settings. The settings app, it looks like a gear. Tap settings. In your settings, you can see the name of your Apple ID. Tap your Apple ID. In your Apple ID, you can see iCloud. And the icon of iCloud, it looks like a cloud. Tap iCloud. In your iCloud, you can see the Manage Storage. Tap the Manage Storage. In your iCloud, you can see the iCloud storage and the cloud icon. Tap Upgrade. In Upgrade iCloud storage, you can see your 5 GB free storage. And the upgrade option, you can see the 50 GB for 49 pesos per month. And 200 GB for 149 pesos per month. And you can share this to your family members. And 2 TB for 499 pesos per month. And you can share this to your family members too. And that's it. This is the simple way to upgrade your iCloud storage. Thank you.